Before you start, make sure your headset is charged and your Wi-Fi connection is working. Have your username and password ready. Turn on your headset. Put your headset on. Hold the Oculus button to enter VR. In the setting menu, click Wi-Fi. Choose your network and click Connect. In the Navigate menu, click Library. Click on the app icon to open. Click Sign In. Enter your username and password. Click Sign In. Choose the Applications button to see all of the apps. The following videos will guide you how to use a specific app. Time to practice and have fun!